Today I'm going to show you how to change your Hostinger domain name step by step. If you've got a website already set up in Hostinger and you want to connect a new domain instead, this is the exact process to follow. Whether you're rebranding, switching to a better domain, or just updating your site setup, this tutorial will make it simple and quick. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials like this one. Let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're inside your account, you'll land on the main control panel where all of your websites and hosting tools are managed. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one site. After that, look at the menu on the left side of the dashboard and click on Websites. This section shows every website connected to your Hostinger account, so this is the place where you'll start making changes. Now, find the website you want to update and click Edit Website. This will open the management area for that specific site. It's important to choose the right one if you have multiple projects, because the changes you make here will apply to that selected website. Once the website editor or site management screen opens, look for the option that says Connect Domain. This is the feature that allows you to attach a different domain name to your website. Click Connect Domain and Hostinger will prompt you to enter your new domain. Type in the domain name you want to use. Make sure you enter it correctly with the proper spelling and extension, such as .com, .net, or whatever your new domain uses. This part matters a lot because even a small typo can cause problems when connecting the domain. Double check everything before moving forward. After entering the new domain, follow any remaining prompts Hostinger gives you to complete the connection process. Depending on your setup, Hostinger may ask you to confirm or verify the domain settings before it becomes active. If your domain is registered somewhere else, you may also need to update its DNS records so it points correctly to your Hostinger website. In many cases, Hostinger will guide you through the steps, so just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once the new domain is connected, give it a little time to fully propagate. Sometimes domain changes happen quickly, but in other cases, it can take a while before everything updates across the internet. If your site doesn't show the new domain immediately, don't worry, that delay is completely normal. You can refresh the page later and check again once the DNS changes have had time to take effect. It's also a good idea to test your website after the domain change. Open the new domain in your browser and make sure the site loads properly. Check that your pages, links, and branding all match the new domain setup. This helps you confirm that everything is working as expected and that visitors will be able to access your website without any issues. So to recap, the process is simple. Log into Hostinger, go to Websites, choose Edit Website, click Connect Domain, and enter your new domain name. That's the full method for changing your Hostinger domain name. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.